Hello, this is Tony Heller from RealClimateScience.com, setting the record straight about climate. Today's presentation is about climate scientists creating alarm by cherry-picking data. On April 13th of last year, the Washington Post reported that scientists were stunned by melting in Greenland. A record-breaking level of melt for so early in the season has never happened before. Nearly 12% of the ice sheet was melting. So let's look at what the scientists were stunned about. Around April 13th, there was a spike where temperatures in the center of the Greenland ice sheet got up to minus 6 degrees centigrade. The warmest they got all year there was minus 2.3 degrees centigrade. Never got anywhere close to the melting point, and the average temperature in the center of the Greenland ice sheet was minus 23 degrees centigrade last year. This graph shows what percentage of the Greenland ice sheet was melting on each day of 2016. This is what the scientists were stunned about. Around April 13th, there was a spike where 12% of the ice sheet was melting, but then it dropped down to zero, and for most of the rest of the summer, melt was below normal almost every single day. Scientists apparently were not stunned by the below normal melt the rest of the year. Something else which scientists don't seem to be stunned about is the record ice growth, which is currently occurring in Greenland. This blue line shows the ice mass gained since September 1st of last year. It's going up at a record rate and is now more than 100 billion tons of ice greater than the normal, shown in the dark gray line here. So how did climate scientists deal with this record ice growth in Greenland? Well, that's an easy one. They did their usual trick. Yesterday, the Danish Meteorological Institute changed their graph so that it no longer shows a record. But with all the snow that's currently falling in Greenland, it's likely to pop back up into record territory soon. Scientists were stunned by one warm day in April of 2016 when 12% of the ice sheet melted. But they didn't bother to discuss the fact that the rest of the melt season was below normal and that since September 1st of last year there's been record ice gain. This is how junk science operates. Visit Toto on the web at realclimatescience.com. He's been pulling back the curtain on junk science for a long time.